Hi, it's April of Prerequisite Beauty. Welcome to my channel. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button to ensure that you get updates whenever I upload videos, which I try to do every week. I just wanted to say happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Today is Mother's Day. Even though it's a different time of day, you know, we can still celebrate and be happy and be supportive of our motherhood, or encourage support of our motherhood throughout the day. So I just wanted to make sure I just send a special shout out to the mothers. You know, our work is hard and difficult, but we enjoy it, and we're ever giving of our love, especially for our babies. Today I wanted to discuss different lip glams or different lip glosses. I don't necessarily use matte. I love matte lipstick. I love nude colors. I always wear nude colors, but I picked a few. I do have matte colors, a few colors that I wanted to share with you all and do some application techniques on some different various colors. I did my makeup already. You know, I love doing my makeup. I learn so many different techniques all the time, so I'm still learning and evolving, which is good because, you know, we always remain teachable so that we become better. So with my lipstick line, I have like 5 different colors. Yeah, I have 5. Let's see. 5 colors, and they're all from a lip line from Tauntus Lipstick. I don't know if you can see it. Tauntus Cosmetics, actually. It's from a friend, a personal friend. We taught together. She actually was my administrator at school, and she just has her own lip line, and her lip glosses are her lipsticks or lip matte. I don't want to say lip gloss because they're not necessarily a lip gloss, but her lipsticks are awesome. So I'm going to work my way and go from lighter to darker. My absolute favorite color is Sweet Escape. I had to look at it. It's called Sweet Escape. This is my absolutely favorite color. I love this. This is my go-to. Like I said, I love like a brown or nude color. So of course this would be my go-to color. So before I put on my color, I always try to put some base on my lips because I want my lip to make sure it's moisturized, because I use matte lipstick. So if I find that my lips are not moisturized, it kind of chap up. So I have some lip base that I use here from MAC. I don't know what the name of it. I don't have it for so many years. It's not even on there. But this is what it looks like. So I just take it and make sure I put it on my lips evenly. That's just so I can have some moisture on my lips. I just like my lips to be moisturized. The Sweet Escape, we're gonna go and use chestnut, matte chestnut. And with my lips, I try to outline it. Now, Sweet Escape is kind of light, so that's why I opted for a darker liner, because I just like for it to have that 3D effect. So with my lips, I just go in and outline it first. So that's kind of like a first coat. With the lipstick, I like for it to use 2 coats. So I kind of work it in. Then I'm going to work in my second coat. Well, I just applied my second coat. Make sure I work all the lipstick in, fix any corrections. Like, I will take a towel and wipe it off, but I don't try to do it. Mine is more so like on my edges. I'm talking when I'm trying to fix my edges, like the edges. And sometimes my Cupid bow, I need to make sure I correct. But I did pretty good. And this Sweet Escape, what do you all think? This is my absolute favorite color. No, I just keep saying it, but I just love browns and nudes. That's just my favorite. That's just my color. So let me know what you think in the comments of Sweet Escape. So now the Sweet Escape is removed. I'm gonna go put my lip gloss on, or my base, lip base, I would say. I don't even know if they still sell this at MAC. I got this so many years ago. But it works. It really works. So my next color from Tauntus would be Girl Crush. Now with this one, I think I'm going to put this on first. So it just depends on the lipstick. Sometimes I wait till after to put my my lip liner on before or after I apply my lipstick liquid matte gloss. Liquid matte. It ain't even a liquid matte gloss, it's liquid matte. So either or. But with this one, I'm going to use my Whirl by MAC. So this is a good combination, MAC and this Girl Crush. So I'm gonna put this on first, and then after I'm going to put on my liner just for this color. I don't know for any other colors either, but it just depends. See that? It's like a mauve pink, a soft pink. So like I said, it's my first coat. I have to do 2 coats. Maybe I'll try, between these coats, maybe I'll try to put me some liner on. This liner is so close to the color, which is good. It's good. So let me put my second coat. So this is Girl Crush. What do you think? I like this color too. I wear this color frequently too because it's more like the brown, nude, pink. No, it's kind of like an everyday look. Really nice. So let me know what you all think about this color. It's Girl Crush. Look below. I'll be sure to list where you can purchase the Girl Crush. Okay, so we removed the Girl Crush. I'm gonna go ahead and put my lip base on my lips. Moisturizer is key and essential. So the next color, I'm going to do a little like hot pink. It's called Calypso. It's a cute color too. Not necessarily an everyday look, but definitely a glam. With this one too, I'm going to put this one on because I'm going to have my NYX Fuchsia liner. And it kind of really similar. So I'm going to put this on first and then line my lips, just like I did before. See how bright it is? But it's not too bright. I'm going to take my Fuchsia NYX. It's really close color, really cute. So we can go ahead and put my second coat. And you see, I'm just not necessarily rubbing my lips together, but I'm just patting like a bow. I want to say, I keep saying bow, but that's exactly what I'm doing, but I'm trying to do it silently. Well, this dries pretty good. And then when it dries, it's long wear rather, and it's not really going to mess up once it dries. And that's Calypso. I like it. So, we're gonna go with our routine. Put your base on. You can also use Vaseline. I'll use Vaseline too. Vaseline is really thick, so you want to kind of put like a thinner layer of Vaseline on. But hey, I use it. I use Vaseline. I'll put some Aquaphor on before I put my lipstick on, just to get a base and get some sheen and some moisture to my lips. So the next color I'm going to use from Tauntus Cosmetics is like a red. It is called Hades. Hey, red. And then I'm going to pair it with my Brick with MAC. And with this one too, I'm going to go ahead and put this on first. Yes, that red. Look, I be liking to put on red when I'm looking hot and sexy. Like for a nice date night. Well, I usually kind of wear red when I'm going to a concert. So let's go and line the lips with Hades. And for me, lip liner usually just make it look more uniform, and it just makes it pop and brings it out. Sometimes, like this next color, I don't even have lip liner for it, but we're gonna work with it. So lip liner is not always necessary. I prefer to use it, but if it's not available, I still know how to make it work. So let's put on our second coat of Hades. And this is Hades. It's cute. Nice brick red color. And like I said, it's matte. It is liquid matte because, like I said, I prefer just liquid matte colors. But so you see how good those the lipsticks really remove really good. And like I said, they're still long wearing. They're long lasting. Like you put some on and you're set for the entire day. So we're going to go to our last color. Make sure I put some base on. Base lip moisturizer is important to me. So it's now got this nice blue color called Cold Hearted. Now I don't have lip liner for this one, but we're still going to make it work. So we're going to put another coat on. See, this depends on how you put it on. Liner isn't necessary. I think it's cool. So let me know what you guys think about the different colors to review. We have Sweet Escape. Then there's Girl Crush. Then there's Calypso in a hot pink color. Then we have Hades, which is a red color. And then finally, there's the blue color I have on. Let me know what you all think about the colors. Be sure to visit Tauntus Cosmetics so you can purchase you some lip gloss. She has other different shades. These are just some of my favorite shades that I purchased personally from her. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button to ensure that you get notifications. Thank you all for listening. Thank you for tuning in. Happy Mother's Day again to those mothers. Hope you have a fabulous day. Enjoy, be safe, and be blessed.